I will remember. That's a core memory of mine. Sorry, I blew my nose. Got to mute. Never mute. Ew, guys, it's disgusting. I'm sorry about that. It's not gonna happen again. I just do it every 2 seconds. Because it's too bad. We need to sneeze. No, you're never gonna hear me sneezing. One day, maybe. One day in the far future. In the far future. I have a reason why I never sneeze in front of you. Which is, when I sneeze, I scream and I become a monster. Like, ah! I have a very good reason for that. You don't want to hear me. It's not a cute sneeze. It's actually embarrassing. It makes me embarrassed. Every time I sneeze in public, everyone turns their head on me. Like, what the hell just hurt? It's so bad. No.
I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. Listen to me.